Hi everybody, this is Melissa Edens and I am here tonight to help give a quick video tutorial on how to use Zoom from a participant's perspective. And this is going to be a little weird, a little awkward, because I have to do this from my phone to show you what it looks like on my computer with 3 visiting children behind me. Anyway, okay, so, and in case you don't know me, like I said, my name is Melissa Edens, and my team is the Essentially Curious team, and they are absolutely an amazing team. I love the questions they ask, I love the information they give, and I love just getting together and being with them and being part of their tribe, because it really is a team because of them, and it is just a fantastic place to be. And I'm also the person who started Going Silver Group, which is probably where you're going to see this, and that also is just a place of energy and enlightenment from a business building perspective, and it is some place that I dearly love to spend my time, even though it's online. And it also, if you ever have a chance to meet some of the people face to face that are on Going Silver Group, holy smokes, getting together in person face to face is even better. So okay, so here we go. I'm going to turn this around. This is going to be a little weird. I'm going to turn this around so you can see my computer screen and what's on it, and show you from a participant's perspective what it looks like to join a Zoom class. Okay, I can't show you what it looks like from a cell phone right now because I don't have anybody else with a cell phone nearby. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see my computer screen, and I'm going to make my browser really big. Now the URL that I've just pulled up is zoom.us. Okay, guys, I'm not in here. So this is zoom.us. See that there? Okay, and if I go over here to the right, and I've logged out, so you don't have to create an account, okay, free or otherwise. Go to join a meeting on the right. Join a meeting. Okay. And this is going to be, now a lot of times you're already going to have a link, and you just click the link and it's going to go straight there. I don't have a link to share because of the way I'm doing this. So I have to just put in the personal meeting ID, which somebody can give to you when you're coming to join. It's going to be different depending on who the host is. Okay, so this is my meeting ID, but that doesn't mean it's going to be the same every time. Okay, so then I'm going to hit join, and my computer's going to ask me, do you want to allow this page to open zoom.us? And above that it says, if nothing prompts from browser, download and run Zoom. So I'm going to hit allow because Zoom is already downloaded to my page. It's going to say connecting. You're going to see my camera on the top of my, oh. So what you see right now, let me move. Okay, so what you see right now is this is me as a guest, and this is me as the host. Okay, so this is what it looks like from a participant's perspective. All right. Okay, and I'm going to just point out to you some things at the bottom of the list of the screen here. Let's see, I'll make this screen a little bit bigger so we can really show you. Okay, we've made it big. Okay, so down here at the bottom left, we have unmute, so that if I want to respond to something being said, I can hit stop video, so it's no longer recording the fact that my children are playing around in the background behind me. So if I hit stop record or stop video, it's going to show you this, my little person there. I'm going to hit start video again so you can see me again. And then down here, you can see invite. If I hit invite, it's going to give you the option to copy the URL, which is zoom.us/ and then that number that I put in before, or copy invitation, where it gives a much longer invitation. You can send it out by email. Okay, now I don't have anybody else to invite, so I'm going to just hit off right there. Down at the bottom, if you hit participants, that's going to bring this little pop-up window over to the right. Move the screen over here because I have this thing that won't go away. Okay, so that's going to show you who all is participating. Now in this case, it's me on my phone, That's the host, and me on my computer screen, which is the one on top. Okay. All right, and then down here, again, at the bottom, we have participants. And we have, now you can use share screen if your host has given you permission. I would ask about that before you're doing it, because it takes over the screen so that everybody sees what you have on your desktop, okay? And then, in which case, actually, I can just show you this. So if I hit that, it brings up a whole range of options, okay? Of like everything that's on my screen to share with you. And I can hit share screen, and it's going to show you my whole screen. And it tells me on my phone that I've started screen sharing. Melissa Edens has started screen sharing. Okay, but it doesn't actually show you the window, you know, the actual Zoom window, which is why I have to do it this way. Okay, so now I'm going to stop this screen share. Stop share. Okay, so that you can see everything again. Okay, so again at the bottom, next to share screen, we have this chat thing right here. Okay, and when I hit chat, Asha, you gotta go out for a minute. You gotta go out of my room for a minute. You gotta go out of my room for a minute. I've redone this 3 times to try and keep them quiet, and it's not working, so bear with me. Okay, so if I hit that chat button, it opens up this little sub window here underneath participants, okay? And that's right here. And so when we do that, I can type in at the bottom a message. Oops, low power mode. I can type in a message at the bottom, like you see me doing there, and that's going to go to everyone in the thing, because you see where it says everyone. And then if I click on this everyone, it drops down to give me a list of the names. So if I want to send a private message, I can. Now here's the thing though, if you're chatting privately with somebody and then you switch it to everyone, you just want to check that to make sure that you don't embarrass yourself, okay? And then there's the record button. Now as a participant, here is what happens when I hit record. I get this message. Please request record permission from the meeting host. Okay, so I have to ask permission, and then the meeting host will either say yes or no, give permission, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna hit off. Okay, so a couple other things to show you. If I go up here to speaker view, and I click on that, like if you only want to see the person speaking and not this double, triple, quadruple screen of all the different people participating, you can hit speaker view, and it's going to show you just the person who is the loudest in the room. In this case, it's me on my phone because I have my computer muted. Okay, I hit gallery view again. And then at the top left, it shows that the host is recording. If that's not there, the host is not recording. Okay. And then at the bottom right, there is the option to leave the meeting. Okay. And also next to my name here, where it says unmute, there's like 3 little dots, or I can unmute my audio, pin the video. Now pin video means that even if I'm not the loudest person in the room, or if this person that I'm looking at is not the loudest in the room, it will still make that person the spotlight on the screen. Okay, so if you want to see that person for whatever reason, I don't know, maybe they're picking their nose or cleaning their room or whatever. Okay, so now we're going to leave the meeting. I'm going to hit leave meeting down here. And it's going to ask me, do I want to leave this meeting? Yes or no? Cancel or leave. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the meeting. And it's going to ask me, was this good or bad? And I'm going to hit it was good. Okay, and then I'll turn this around again so I can talk to you face to face. So that was supposed to be just a really quick, maybe not as loud as it was, sorry, tutorial on how to participate in a Zoom meeting as a participant, because we have right now so many people going through Zoom calls with the duplication rocks and all of that, that I wanted to help you guys to see that, because a lot of leaders are using Zoom for their conference calls, for video conference calls. They're super simple. You can get your free account with zoom.us if you want, and it gives you, you can have up to 50 people in a conference room at once on a free account and you can record for 40 minutes. And I know that at least 2 or 3 of the diamonds have used it a number of different times just to sign people up or to walk people through their new premium starter kits, or to help them to walk somebody else through signing up, to connect with their teams, to answer questions. There's so many uses for this that it really is a fantastic way to keep track and keep in touch with people on your team and to take classes and things. So the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to link the YouTube video that I did a while back that shows how to use this from a host perspective, and hopefully it's very, very similar, very easy to use, and hopefully this was helpful to you. So I will talk to you guys later, and I will see you online, if not before. Bye, guys.